Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about why you should eat pumpkin seeds every day and how they can improve your health in 6 amazing ways. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. And please watch till the end, so that you don't miss out on all the amazing health benefits. Okay, so let's dive in. Pumpkin seeds are also known as pepitas, which means little seed of squash in Spanish. They are the edible seeds of pumpkins and other types of squash. They have a green, flat, and oval shape and a crunchy texture. You can eat them raw, roasted, or sprouted. You can also use them to make pumpkin seed oil, butter, or milk. Pumpkin seeds are not only delicious but also nutritious. They are rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. They also contain some vitamins and plant compounds that have various health benefits. Here are 6 reasons why you should eat pumpkin seeds every day. 1. They are good for your bones. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best sources of magnesium, a mineral that is essential for bone health. Magnesium helps your body absorb calcium, which is the main component of your bones. It also regulates bone formation and remodeling. A low intake of magnesium can lead to osteoporosis, a condition that causes weak and brittle bones. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides about 40% of the daily value, DV, of magnesium. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can help you meet your magnesium needs and prevent bone loss. Magnesium also has other benefits for your health, such as lowering blood pressure, improving blood sugar control, and reducing the risk of migraines. 2. They boost your fertility. Pumpkin seeds are also good for your reproductive health, especially if you are a man. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral that is important for sperm quality and quantity. Zinc also helps regulate testosterone levels, which affect sex drive and performance. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides about 20% of the DV of zinc. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can help you improve your fertility and sexual function. Zinc also has other benefits for your health, such as supporting your immune system, wound healing, and skin health. 3. They are good for your prostate. Pumpkin seeds may help maintain prostate health by providing the following benefits. They supply zinc, which is essential for normal prostate function and may prevent or treat prostate enlargement and cancer. They contain beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that can block the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that can stimulate prostate growth and cause benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or prostate cancer. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can protect the prostate from oxidative stress and inflammation that can lead to BPH or prostate cancer. They may reduce the symptoms of BPH, such as difficulty urinating, frequent urination, or pain in the lower back or pelvis, by inhibiting the multiplication of overstimulated prostate cells and improving urinary flow. 4. They protect your heart. Pumpkin seeds are also good for your heart health, thanks to their healthy fats and antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds contain mostly unsaturated fats, which can lower your bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides levels. High levels of these fats can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic acids. Antioxidants can protect your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation and oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition that causes plaque buildup in your arteries. 5. They improve your digestion. Pumpkin seeds are also good for your digestion, thanks to their high fiber content. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest or absorb. It helps move food through your digestive system and adds bulk to your stool. This can prevent or relieve constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and gas. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides about 7% of the DV of fiber. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can help you meet your fiber needs and improve your digestive health. Fiber also has other benefits for your health, such as lowering blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and appetite. 6. They enhance your brain function. Pumpkin seeds are also good for your brain function, thanks to their antioxidants and plant compounds. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic acids that can protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause neurodegeneration, which is the loss of brain cells over time. Pumpkin seeds also contain plant compounds like lignans and phytosterols that can modulate the activity of neurotransmitters in your brain. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that regulate your mood, memory, learning, and cognition. Eating pumpkin seeds regularly can help you prevent or delay cognitive decline and improve your mental performance. As you can see, pumpkin seeds are a superfood that can benefit your health in many ways. However, you should be careful not to eat too many pumpkin seeds, as they can cause side effects such as stomach upset, allergic reactions, or drug interactions. You should also consult your doctor before eating pumpkin seeds if you have any medical conditions or take any medications, as they may affect their effectiveness or safety. The recommended serving size of pumpkin seeds is about 1 ounce, 28 grams, per day, but you can adjust it according to your preference and tolerance. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the health benefits of pumpkin seeds. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.